For the repair of holes from screws and nails, you'll need the following tools. First, remove the screw or the nail from the alkus panel. Drill out the holes using a spiral drill bit. Next, drive the welding wire into the pre-drilled hole. Trim the excess material to the level of the panel using a chisel. Smooth the panel surface with the paint scraper. The alkus formwork panel repaired in this manner continues to provide services in exposed concrete quality.